Okay, it's time to show you how to make Jacob hyper in a different way. So loud, he wants to kill it. It's so loud. Is that the dinner bell? Ha! Ha! That's all that is. That's all it is. And it's so loud. Can you unscrew the thing on the inside? You're not moving. What are you doing? You stopped. You want me to shake it on your head, eh? Okay, hat. Hat. Don't go for the fingers. I like to keep those. I like to keep my fingers.
Get it!
Hat. I don't want to destroy your ears. Whoops. What are you doing? What are you doing now? Your stand got close to here. Don't even try. I gotta push your stand back. There. Crazy bird. Nice wings. You're crazy. Yeah, you're crazy. Well, there goes your food. Too hyper.
Wait.
I'd say that's how you make Jacob hyper, but everything makes Jacob hyper. Just toss everything. Yeah, toss everything. Throw it. Throw it. Go get it. You gotta unscrew the piece that's in there. All done. Yeah, we're done. We're done. You have fun?